I am Ashleigh and I run the blog Sewrella. I love the challenge of making something to fit a human body, and then you can wear it and show people without saying, look at this thing I made. You can just wear it, and if people notice that it's handmade, they do, and if they don't, they don't. But there's just some kind of like pride that goes into making something and then putting it on yourself and seeing it versus making something that sits next to you. My favorite project is probably the sweater I'm wearing. My favorite part is the inspiration point. Like, there's just a moment where a light bulb goes off and you can see the finished thing in your head. And sometimes it's when I pick up a ball of yarn and I can see what I want it to be. Don't limit yourself to being inspired when you need it to come to you. You have to let inspiration find you anywhere. And it's usually in an unlikely place.